Starting an LLC for your rental property is a smart way to protect your personal assets and keep your property business separate from your personal finances. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps so you can set it up the right way. The first step is choosing a name for your LLC. Make sure it's unique and not already in use in your state. You can check this on your state's Secretary of State website. Your LLC name should include LLC, or Limited Liability Company. Next, you'll need to file the Articles of Organization. This is the official document that creates your LLC. You can usually file online or by mail through your state's business portal. The filing fee varies by state. After your LLC is formed, it's a good idea to create an operating agreement. Even if your state doesn't require it, this document helps outline how your rental property business will be managed, how profits are distributed, and how decisions are made. Then, apply for an EIN from the IRS. This employer identification number is free and necessary for taxes, opening a business bank account, and keeping your rental income separate from personal finances. Finally, check local regulations. Some cities or counties have specific rules for rental properties, and having your LLC can make it easier to comply while protecting your personal assets. And that's it. If this guide helped you understand how to start an LLC for your rental property, go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more simple business tips.